Sri Satpal Sharma.
धन्यवाद माननीय. Concern over the dilapidation of Poonch Budha Amarnath Road. I rise to draw attention of the government to a deplorable and unsafe condition of an essential roadway in the Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. The Poonch Budha Amarnath Shrine Road. This is not merely an issue of inconvenience, but a genuine matter of public safety, religious sentiment, and regional connectivity that demands immediate intervention. The road in question is a lifeline for both thousands of Hindu pilgrims and the local residents who depend on it for their daily existence. It serves as the critical artery connecting the district headquarters of the Poonch to the revered Budha Amarnath Shrine, a site of major religious significance that draws hundreds of devotees during the annual yatra in July and August. The road also serves as the primary route for local commuters, school children, and patients requiring urgent medical care from surrounding villages. However, the road is severely damaged, riddled with deep, wide potholes and frequently waterlogged. The immediate consequences of this dilapidation are deeply concerning. The current condition of the road endangers lives and has been the cause of numerous minor and major accidents. For the hundreds of pilgrims undertaking the arduous journey of the Budha Amarnath Yatra, the unsafe path diminishes the sanctity of their devotion and poses an unacceptable risk. Therefore, I urge the Union Government to undertake the immediate repair and comprehensive long-term strengthening of the Poonch Budha Amarnath Road. Dhanyavad.